everybody, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up another Nickelodeon box. I want to say that this is summer. It kind of has a camping theme. You can see it's almost like a log cabin there. So we're just going to dive in. Not any long introductions today. This has been sitting in my house for like 2 months now. I'm very eager to open it up. I know it's fall, so I'm sorry that this is late. I'm sure I'll be getting another box in soon. So I'm going to put this down. This tells you everything that is in your box. I don't like spoilers, so I'm going to put this down. Ooh, this is a dad cap that has a Nickelodeon fire on it. Is it gonna focus? Guess not. This is actually cute. I like the color, and I think that it's kind of hard to tell if it says Nickelodeon if you're not really close. So this isn't like I would wear, I've worn weirder things in public, if I'm being honest with you. Now, also please keep in mind that this box runs $49.99. All of the items are custom made for this box. So, Culturefly works with Nickelodeon to make this stuff. You can't get this stuff in stores. I believe that the overall value of the box is supposed to be $150 or more. Anyways, here are some shorts, and they're actually like a really nice, they're not silk, but they're kind of like a silky type of material. These are shorts. My boyfriend would probably even wear these as boxers, and they've got little like camping things all over it, paddles, binoculars, a volleyball, campfire, all that fun stuff. So these are cute, and the material feels really comfy. Oh, this is the summer box. This answers my question. It says summer 2018 on it, and this is just a whole bunch of characters on it. So Camp Nick Summer 2018, we got Rocco, we got the Angry Beavers, Cat Dog, Ren and Stimpy, Arnold, all that fun stuff. And this is like a cute, classic camping shirt that you would get whenever, you know, you go to summer camp when you're a little kid. I never really went camping when I was a little kid. I don't know why. I maybe went camping a couple times as a little kid, but like I never had the urge to go do like summer camps where I left for like a month or whatever for the summer. Oh, we have, this is a Camp Anawana bottle. It's kind of hard to squeeze. But overall, I always feel like the items that I get in the Nick box are of fairly good quality. So, you know, I don't feel that they're cheap. I don't think the shirt's cheap, the clothes. I think everything is made of good value. So, you know, that's another reason why I like to continue to get this box, because I really feel like you're getting the value of which you are paying for and much more. So, oh, I want to save this for last because I already like this. These are, what is this? Oh, these are playing cards. I'm not going to open them, but they have Reptar, some of Real Monsters on there. There was Crumb on there. All the Nickelodeon characters. So, let's see. What's going to be the easiest? Ooh, I can put this on my desk at work. This is a Helga bobblehead. Isn't that cute? You can't see her head bobble in there, but I don't have, oh, I do have a bobblehead for my desk. I thought I didn't have a bobblehead, but I have my Pittsburgh Penguins Gino bobblehead on my desk. So I also have a little figurine of Tommy on my desk at work. So I will go ahead, I will put Helga next to him, and I will add to the collection. Ooh, I know what this is without even opening it. So this is a blow-up ball, and it looks like it has Reptar on it and kind of like a skyline, like some skyscrapers and things like that. So it kind of looks like maybe he's like stomping through the city, almost like why can't I think of the name? Godzilla! Oh my gosh, how could I not remember the name Godzilla? I've seen that movie a million times. A total blackout in my brain. I have no idea what was going on there. I really wish I did open this ball. I really wish that I did open up this box though whenever I got it, because we did go camping and some of this stuff maybe would have been cool to take. Like we go camping on a little quarry at the campsite that we go to. We go to festivals out there and stuff, and we go play in the quarry, and you can like take fun little things like that out there. So I kind of wish that I had opened this earlier, but life gets the best of you sometimes, guys, and you need to take a couple months break from YouTube. So anyways, so this is a Rocco vinyl figure, and he has a little backpack on in there. Very cool. So my boyfriend's mom loves Rocco, so maybe I'll give this one to her. Now this is the thing I wanted to save for last because I think it is really cool. This was probably in my top 2. This is probably my second favorite Nickelodeon show growing up. Maybe in my top 3. I don't know. I'd have to kind of go over it and analyze. But I was obsessed with Rocket Power. So with that being said, we have a bottle opener surfboard that says Shore Shack, and it says no shoebies on it. And they even have like nice little holes that you can use to nail it to your wall. I'm in a rental right now. I'm not permitted to nail things in, but once we get a more permanent home of our own, this is going to be going up. This is really cool. I really like this actually a lot. It's like, again, of good quality, and I love Rocket Power. I feel like that's maybe not a popular opinion with Nickelodeon shows, that's like one of your favorites for some reason. I don't hear that a lot, but I love Rocket Power, so I'm very glad that was included in here, and I cannot wait to find a space to put that up. So guys, again, that's it. A lot of good stuff. I only paid $50 for. A lot of times vinyls will go for like $20, $25 themselves. Now, because this stuff is all custom made for the box, they don't give you prices like other subscription boxes will do, so you can add up your value and everything like that. But overall, shirt, shorts, 2 vinyl figures, a ball, what else? A hat, a water bottle, a bottle opener. So a lot of really good stuff, and again, good quality for only $50, and that's how that is. I mean, really, the shirt and a vinyl together is probably close to $50 if you would be buying them separately. So that should give you an overall view of what the real value of these boxes are. This is one that I highly suggest, especially if you are a 90s baby. You will love it if you were all into the Nickelodeon like I was. So thank you guys for watching. That is it. You can also follow me on my other social media channels. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and as always, that information is down in the description box below. Make sure you like the video, if you liked it, of course, and subscribe to my channel. I did take a little break. I'm completely aware of that. I needed some mental health time, to be honest with you, but I'm going to try to get back into the swing of posting videos, so make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see those videos like this and other things too. Okay guys, I really appreciate you watching. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Bye!